Hey, Miss Gavin's class. This morning I wanted to show you guys if you want to do calendar time like we normally do in class in the morning. I wanted to show you a quick video on how to do that. So if you start on our e-class page and you scroll down all the way past all of this learning that you've done and you come all the way down here, you should be able to click on this that says Starfall Calendar. And it's going to take you to the Starfall calendar screen. And what you can do on this screen, you can learn about April
2020. Let's make a calendar.
And so what you're going to do is click on all of the little twinkly, sparkly arrows and things, and you're going to be making a calendar and learning about the month of April. And this is something that you can do every morning if you want to, or you can just do it once, or come back to it, whatever you want to do. But I just thought it would be fun to put some calendar time into your day if you have a second to do that. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and I can't wait to see you later on this week. I'm going to be making some videos for your sight word practice and some things like that. So look out for those later on this week. But I love you guys, and I'll see you later.